Alright guys, today we have a 2017 Toyota Sienna and we're gonna reset the maintenance light. Let me show you the light that comes on. So let me just angle my light to a different direction a little bit. It's gonna be difficult, but I'll try. So let's start up the car first. So this car has a maintenance required light. You see that? Maintenance required. Alright, we're gonna reset that. Alright, this car has a wireless key. The key system is a smart key. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this button right here. You're gonna turn the car off. You're gonna bring the trip. We're gonna select trip A first, all right, before anything. All right, let me just get the accessory on. So make sure you have the odometer on trip A. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna have to use both hands. I'm gonna have to angle my camera a little bit here, just like that. I'll put my light somewhere here. So what I'm gonna do is once you have it on trip A, you're gonna turn the key off, meaning press the button, and then you're gonna take one of your fingers and you're gonna push this button down. All right, you're gonna hold it down. Do not press the brake pedal, because if you're not starting the car, we're gonna put the car on accessory, just like that. All right, that's one click and that's the second click. All right, once you do that, you're gonna start seeing the maintenance setting, and it's gonna blink and flash and it's gonna clear itself. Once it goes through that process, you're done. You can let go. Okay, so all you do is, again, you hold this button down. I'll do it again. You hold this down. All right, let me go back to trip A. I'm gonna start over. Right, have the key off. You're gonna hold this down. Hold it down, don't let it go. You're gonna press the button once and twice, and it's gonna flash the lights, and you wait for it, and you're done. And that's how you reset the maintenance light on a 07 Sienna. 08 is the same way. I'm sorry, 2017 Sienna. 2018 19 is the same, and I'm sure the 2020 will be the same also. And that's it. Please subscribe and watch all of my videos and recommend it to other people.